Team India women's vice-captain and star batter Smriti Mandhana made her first public appearance since the wedding with Palash was called off at an event in New Delhi just on the 10th of December, as in yesterday. Just days after announcing to call off the proposed wedding to Palash, Smriti Mandhana said one truth has become clearer to her than anything else over the past 12 years. There is nothing she cares about more deeply than cricket.
If we do not have those sort of discussions where we are disagreeing to something, that means we are not passionate enough to win the match for the team. So we do definitely have those sort of discussions. I wouldn't again say it's arguments. I would still term it as discussions because I mean, of course, we have to select the best 11. We have to decide if you are batting first or bowling first, and everyone has their own opinions about how we will win the match. I don't think anyone is correct or wrong. They have their own thought process that how would we win the match for the country. But I don't see ever that the discussions goes into arguments. I don't think I love anything in life more than cricket. So when you go out to bat or when you go out to represent your country, I don't think any other thoughts are there in the mind. When you put on the Indian jersey, the only thing you want to do is represent India and win the match for the country. Wow. And yeah, I mean, the biggest motivation is that when you put on the jersey and the India is written. I mean, I always tell everyone that once you put on the jersey, you just keep all your problems aside and just be on the field, because you have a responsibility, and you are one of 2 billion people who are representing your country. And I mean, just the thought of that is enough for you to have that razor sharp focus and do what you want to do. I mean, I've always been a very simple person, not complicate my life with overthinking about anything. And one thing I believe that if you put a lot of work behind the scenes, because what happens on the ground, everyone looks at it that and judges on that, but what I judge myself or the team is the work which we put behind the scenes. And I really pride myself to do that work day in, day out, even if I'm feeling good about things or bad about things, whatever it is. I think if you put that work behind and when you go out to bat, you're just very confident about what's going to happen.